Jai Hind dosto, welcome to your YouTube channel Shastrii. Today we are going to discuss the career paths. What does that mean, career paths? Unlock your MSc chemistry potential. Career paths you didn't know. I mean to say there are a lot of organizations in India which recruit directly MSc chemistry. Okay, so this video is especially for those who are actually complete MSc chemistry or who are appearing the MSc chemistry students. Okay, so both appearing MSc chemistry students as well as who had completed the MSc chemistry. I already made the job opportunities after BSc chemistry. Okay, so BSc chemistry job opportunities video is different and MSc chemistry job opportunity video is different. Today we will be discussing everything related to your job only. One job that everybody knows is assistant professor in different state government as well as central government. But today we are not going to discuss about the regarding the assistant professor. We are going to discuss that other than assistant professor. Okay, so before starting, let me make a plot. What are the job options after BSc chemistry? The only and only possibility is non-executive. After completion of your BSc chemistry, you can only join the organization as a non-executive cadre. Non-executive cadre basically staff cadre. It is not an official cadre or lab technician. Okay, portion that is job opportunities after BSc chemistry is already available in the channel. But here we are going to discuss the MSc chemistry only. Okay, so MSc chemistry. After completion of MSc chemistry, you will be recruited as executive or scientist. Okay, so after completion of MSc chemistry, the person gets selected as executive or scientist. Executive means again your officer only. Okay, and non-executive means non-officer. Before proceeding to job opportunities, one thing you should know that you can do your doctorate of philosophy, that is PhD in India, PhD in abroad also. Yes, of course, PhD in India or PhD in abroad. These are very time-taking process. But my friend, doing PhD in abroad, for example, one of my students went to Germany. Initially, he was not in PhD. He was in a contractual position. That is a project position. Since he has done a lot of work in that project, their guide actually converted that project into a PhD. This kind of opportunities everywhere available. And next is Sarkari Naukri that we are going to discuss about this Sarkari Naukri. Okay. So the system is like that. First, we need to understand what kind of recruitment process is there in India for MSc graduate, for MSc chemistry student. The first thing is you may apply through GATE. GATE is basically a centralized examination conducted by IITs and IIC. After getting rank in GATE, you may apply for different kind of PSU. We will be discussing everything here. Next process is direct recruitment. Okay, that means one thing is GATE, another one is direct recruitment. Direct recruitment means there are a lot of organizations are there which individually offers recruitment process. For example, Archaeological Survey of India, Geological Survey of India, Food Safety Authority of India. We will be discussing everything here. And next is Public Service Commission. Okay, Public Service Commission. It is not UPS. It is a State Public Service Commission. In India, there are a lot of states which actually give opportunity to MSc chemistry students for their officer position. Okay, so let's start first with GATE examination. Okay, by using the GATE rank, which organizations are actually taking for MSc chemistry. So executive or scientist cadre. Understand, my friend, we are talking about officer cadre. Few organizations are calling that executive or someone is calling as scientist. For example, DRDO is calling that post a scientist, BARC is calling that post scientist, ONGC NTPC is calling that post executive. Same thing. So GATE examination. I hope you already know about the GATE. GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test for Engineering and Science Student. GATE, usually this GATE examination, for example, if we are talking about 2025, the GATE examination 2025 form fill up already started in September 2024 and the exam will conducted on February 2025. Already that exam has been conducted. So this is how the GATE exams. Okay. So by utilizing the GATE score, one can apply in different PSU. The very foremost PSU is ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. In 2025, ONGC has released the recruitment process for CBT based. But in general, ONGC is recruiting the MSc chemistry students via GATE exam. Next is your BARC OCS, BARC OCS, Bhabha Atomic Research Center Orientation Course for Engineering and Science. This is basically an ongoing process. I already made a video regarding the BARC OCS examination. You can watch that video because in 2025 they already released a notification. Next one is DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization. ONGC is giving the post of chemist, BARC OCE is giving the post of scientist, DRDO is again giving the post of scientist. I hope in 2025, DRDO will recruit MSc chemistry students using the GATE score. I'm going to make a separate video on which PSUs are recruiting through GATE 2025 only. So these three jobs are there, okay, via GATE. Let's proceed further. Again, executive or scientist cadre, GATE examination. BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. MACL started taking the MSc chemistry student via GATE. MACL stand for MECL. MECL stand for Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited. In 2025, start the recruitment process for MSc chemistry, specifically for MSc chemistry. Okay. Next is your IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Again, the GATE examination, Cabinet Secretariat, Government of India. There are very few posts in Cabinet Secretariat, Government of India. 4 to 5 posts are there. Suppose after giving GATE examination, you didn't get the good rank. So what will you do? My friend, if you idly sit in the home and take 1 year rest that I will prepare after 1 year, then my friend, you will be out of the race. Okay. Suppose you give the GATE exam, but you didn't get the good rank. So you can do MTech, you can do PhD. In MTech and PhD, they will again give you stipend. Okay. 18 to 20,000 stipend in MTech in IITs. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It is also recruiting MSc chemistry students using GATE exam. Now comes my direct recruitment. What does direct recruitment process means? Direct recruitment means there are organizations which do not uses the GATE score. They individually start the recruitment process. Organization FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Okay, this is basically an authoritarian body in India. In any food or beverages industry, they have to take the license from FSSAI, giving the position of food safety officer, actually central food safety officer, technical officer. These two are the posts that they are offering for MSc chemistry students. These are direct recruitment process. Next is Geological Survey of India. Chemists using the Geological Survey of India, there is another organization called Groundwater. Okay, they are also giving recruiting through GSI school. Next is your CGPDTN, Controller General of Patent Design and Trademarks. As an aspirant, never ever involved in any controversy. Always focus on your examination, always focus on your goal. Again, we have a direct recruitment process, HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HRRL. This is a subsidiary of HPCL and Rajasthan government. This HRRL recruitment process is already under process. Okay, you can watch in my YouTube channel also. NFL, National Fertilizer Limited Management Training Chemical Lab. In 2024, they already completed this process. Next is NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. Whenever an organization is recruiting through direct recruitment process, they will conduct a particular CBT, and for that CBT, they have a defined syllabus, they have a defined structure. Next is again direct recruitment process. GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. In 2024, again GAIL has completed the recruitment process. NMDC, National Mineral Development Corporation. In 2024, NMDC has already completed this recruitment process. Archaeological Survey of India. You are thinking that what does a chemist will do in Archaeological Survey of India? What is the role of chemistry? But chemistry plays a vital role, okay, in every organization. What will chemistry people do in ASI? Archaeological Survey of India is offering the post of archaeological chemist. Archaeological chemist has a role of the preservation of the monuments. Here we are going to discuss chemist at state government. Chemist at state government means various state government, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, they are all recruiting the MSc chemistry students via its public service commission. So PSC is basically a constitutional body, public service commission. Rajasthan Public Service Commission, West Bengal Public Service Commission, Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission, chemist directly they are recruiting chemists, okay, in their different organizations. Electricity board. In India, we have multiple electricity. Basically, electricity is not a centralized, electricity is a decentralized process. Decentralized means every state government has their electricity board. They are calling that electricity board DISCOM, they are calling it power generation company, power distribution company, power transmission company, different kind of things are there. Every electricity board is recruiting chemists for their plant, okay, because for the generation of electricity there must be a certain plant. So electricity board, very foremost is Mahagenco. Okay, Mahagenco is basically a Maharashtra power generation company. With Maharashtra power generation company, Mahajanko has started the recruitment process for MSc chemistry students. They had released the total 177 vacant posts. Rajasthan State Electricity Board. Rajasthan State Electricity Board recruitment is already under process, but number of vacancies are very less. WBSEPDCL, West Bengal State Electricity Power Distribution Corporation Limited. Okay. One thing you should remember, these are not yearly vacancies. Okay. You have to stay tuned to various sources so that you shouldn't miss that opportunity. Next is food safety officer in different state governments. Yes, you heard the right. State government also recruit MSc Chem students for the food safety officer. Madhya Pradesh recently I came to know that Madhya Pradesh has started the recruitment process of for FSO. Rajasthan Public Service Commission, West Bengal Public Service Commission, Madhya Pradesh, this is ongoing process. Pollution control, scientists and pollution control, pollution control board. We have a central pollution control board as well as we have a state level pollution control board. In pollution control board, there is again MSc chemistry recruitment process. Okay, what all these recruitment? CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board, and your West Bengal Pollution Control Board. Guys, lot of organizations are asking for experience. Whenever there is a recruitment process, either the organization will ask for experience or fresher. Indian economy is moving in such a direction that every organization is seeking for experience. There are two types of posts. One is permanent, one is temporary. Whenever there is a temporary vacancy in any organization, you should apply for that vacancy. Okay, why? Because whenever you apply for temporary vacancy, you will get the experience of 1 year, 2 year. And by using that experience, you can apply for a permanent post. Recently, Spices Board have also started the trainee analyst that you can apply for that. And by completion of that 1 year training program, Spices Board will give you experience certificate. You can use that experience certificate. Okay. This is a brief introduction regarding the job opportunities after MSc chemistry. We have not covered the assistant professor portion. Okay. After MSc, you should give the NET examination. Once you qualified the NET examination, you have a JRF or your LS, then you are eligible for assistant professor as well. Okay, assistant professor is a very common post. That's why I didn't cover in this video. Okay, friends, stay tuned to Rashad Shastrii YouTube channel. If you have any doubt regarding this organization, please let me know. This video will be available in different subtitles. Okay, thank you.